like derivative of u into v, right? Different function manangar gunana multiplication of two different functions हम कौन करछे similar functions अछि माने हमें multiply करके जा करथिले किंतु different function अछि माने suppose दियाला sin x सहित x square किंबा cos x सहित x square, right? If two different functions were given, then we had a different formula, right? Dividends of u into v is equal to dividends of u into v is equal to u into dividends of v plus v into dividends of u, right? So u and v are two different functions. Suppose हम दियाला sin x into cos x, it's your choice. Suppose दिया है dividends of sin x into cos x. It's your choice if you want to use u into v or chain rule. You can make multiply half into 2 and use 2 sin x into cos x into sin 2x and use chain rules, right? So not mandatory to use u into v. The functions are same, right? If the functions are different, माने different functions माने बुझी पड़ता था गोटे दियाला e to the x गोटे दियाला x square e to the x. So definitely you need to use multiplication rule, right? u into v पकायो तुमको बाध्य. Similarly integration रे भी तमरा जदी two different functions रा multiplication रा integration बाहर करिया को आइजी, then there is a formula and that formula is called by parts. Okay, that formula is called by parts. Okay, what is that formula? We'll go to the formula. Everything is clear. Integration of u into v dx by considering u and v are function of x. Okay, तो fx into gx न लिखिकरी मु fx जगह u लिखिदेली gx जगह v लिखिदेली सेमानंकर multiplication v dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus dy dx of u into integration of v dx whole into dx. Whole outer integration करियो, right? Why? हिंदी लिखते हैं integration of first into second is equal to first function into integration of second function, integration of second, right? dx by considering first and second both are the function of x minus derivative of first function into integration of second function, right? It is called first function multiplied by second function. It is first function derivative multiplied by integration of second function. This is the difference. Apart from that, you have to again find its integration. This is the formula. Here what is this? U into v माने u into integration of v dx minus, right? It is dy dx of u integration of v dx. It is common रहला, right? It रहला u, it रहला derivative of u. It रहला u, it रहला derivative of u. others are same. এটা কোন রইব যাহা আসিলা রেজাল্ট তার আউথরে ইন্টিগ্রেশন okay, and this is called formula by parts. Okay. তো আমি কম করে this is the formula. Suppose को आला integration of x square x square to e to the x square into e to the x. Both are two different functions, right? So we have to use by parts multiplication दिया है थी तो मुझे कौन करी इन्हें लिखी फर्स्ट फंक्शन ले ली e to the x, सेकंड फंक्शन ले ली x square. मैं फर्स्ट फंक्शन को e to the x ले ली, सेकंड फंक्शन को x square ले ली. And now I will check what is the problem or how I can solve it. First function formula कौन? First function into integration of second function, right? Minus derivative of first function into integration of second function whole into dx. This is the formula, right? So e to the x cubed by 3 minus e to the x cubed by 3 dx. That is e to the x cubed by 3 minus 1/3 e to the x cubed dx. Again, these are two different functions. Again, I need to find use by parts, right? This is first function, this is second function. So e to the x into x cubed by 3 minus 1/3. First function e to the x, second function integration minus d by dx of first function to integration of x cubed dx. 1/3 e to the x fourth by 4 minus e to the x fourth by 4. So this will become a loop. Now it becomes a loop, right? Again, यदि आपको आउट बाय पार्ट्स पकड़ो आउट e to the x सहित x fifth टर्म ने पड़े आसु, right? e to the x सहित x fifth टर्म ने पड़े आसु. So it is a never-ending process. It is a never-ending process, right? So there should be something by which we can manage it, right? There should be some tips. We have to learn that. Give me data finish, right? It is solved. Process can be solved, right? So this is the wrong approach, right? I should not write this. I should start from here only. I should not exchange the position. से पोजिशन चेंज करिया कथा नथिला मुझे बाय चांस जानी सुनिक से पोजिशन चेंज कली कहीं गोइंग फॉरवर्ड यू शुड नॉट डू दिस ओके तो मु कौन करी राइट तो मु बर्तन आरंभ करी एटा बोले जी फर्स्ट फंक्शन एटा बोले जी सेकंड फंक्शन u into v आर इंटीग्रेशन बर्तन मु आरंभ करी राइट फर्स्ट फंक्शन x square into integration of x dx minus d by dx of first function x square into integration of e to the x dx whole into dx right yeah initially it will make you problem may looks ugly but once you started working on this then you will be habituated so x square e to the x minus d by dx of x square कितने 2x e to the x representation कितने e to the x dx right तो देखो ये x square रो 2x है ये right आउटरे काढ़ी माने एक्स्ट्रा डेड है right x square e to the x minus 2 पदा वाला x e to the x dx then x square e to the x minus 2 x into पके आउटरे by parts integration of e to the x dx minus d by dx of x into integration of e to the x dx whole dx right integration that is x square e to the x minus 2 x e to the x integration e to the x right minus d by dx of x 1 e to the x d by dx of x 1 into e to the x whole into dx रखो ना करो हाँ इधर से दूसरा गुना ही दिया राइट बर्तन x square e to the x minus 2x e to the x minus e to the x integration e to the x plus answer by e to the x कौन आ गए x square minus 2x plus 1 plus कुछ भूल करी ले भूल तो कर ची दुईटा दियो जाऊ ना जेड़ा के ध्यान दो तो वाला ब्रैकेट फ्रैकेट पेटेला वाले मोर भी भूले जल्दी so make sure माने you are not repeating that problem what is drive principle what is drive principle तो सुखे ही पड़े ना मम्मी drive principle है do not repeat yourself okay do not repeat yourself okay this is the answer तो कौन करिया हमें तार था तमे बर्तन क्वेश्चन आसो सर हम जानू किंदी कोटा को यू नो कोटा को वी नो राइट कोटा को यू नो और कोटा को वी नो हमें हाउ विल आइडेंटिफाई राइट yes there is a technique there is a rule for that blindly you can take that is eyelet so you have to follow like this inverse logarithm algebraic inverse one कोटा sin inverse cos inverse right logarithm माने log or ln, right? Log or ln, whatever, right? Algebraic माने x to the n, x to the n ना कर जोड़ा थियो, that is algebraic. T माने trigonometric, that is sine, cos, right? That is also trigonometry. ILAT, exponential. Then these are e to the x, right? So you have to position u and v according to this down arrow, according to this order. You have to choose u and v according to above order. And this is called ILATE, ILAT. This formula is called ILAT. This is called ILAT. ILAT use करी तमे position choose कर करियो. कोटा u हो, कोटा v हो. For example, suppose तुम दिया ला x to the n, x to the 3 sin inverse x दिया ला. So this should not be the correct order. The correct order is first inverse, right? First inverse, then algebraic, right? Here first algebraic, then inverse. So we have to swap it. Swap it means interchange koriya, right? That is sin inverse x into x cube dx. Now you can use by parts. Now it will not go to the infinite loop. Now it will be easier. So this should be this, right? Similarly, suppose the other e to the x cube, right? What would be its right order? X cube e to the x dx, right? If I'm not clear, if u and v are not on the proper order, then swap it. Okay, before using by parts. Before using by parts use करिया पूर्व सेवन को swap कर दे. Okay, बस this is all about by parts. We'll do some examples. Before that,
सर कौन लिखा सर प्रॉपर पर कौन लिखा जी?
Before put है proper order, then
using sir, using by the present sir. Last
Before
sir.
using by parts.
Oh, part sir.
सुनो ये क्लास में पढ़ेला लिखो सब. हाँ, okay. Okay, so before jump into the by parts formulas, right? Means problems, right? We have recently done one question. X square e to the x, right? we can solve it using by parts. We have already all done, right? Get us the answer. E to the x square minus 2x plus 2 plus 3, right? What are you thinking? I had remembered the previous answer. No, that is not the case. I know some tricks and techniques for this. I will tell you now. What is the technique? Start from e to the x multiplied by, right? What is the second? Okay. Find its derivative. Find its derivative. Find its derivative till it is 0. Till it is 0. तापर हमर काम होला भोग चढ़ाया कथा प्लस माइनस अल्टरनेटिवली प्लस माइनस e to the x square minus 2x plus 2. Okay, suppose दिया है
सब क्वेश्चन
खांबा जेती कहू सेती सुने आगो e to the x to the 10 कहला e to the x start एक क्वेश्चन में टेक्निक कहली मु सब जावली कहली तो x to the 10, right? Start from x to the 10, find its derivative till it is becoming 0, right? 10 x to the 9, 10 into 9 x to the 8, 10 into 9 into 8 x to the 7. ମୁଁ ଲେଖି ବସିକି ଡଟ ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ହେଲା ଲାଷ୍ଟ କଣ ଆସିବ 10 factorial लास्ट केते आसियो 10 factorial plus 0, right? तो इवन रे प्लस ऑर्डर माइनस इवन रे प्लस होची टे ऑर्डर माइनस होची तो केतरा अछि 1 2 10 टा राइट 11 टा देखियो प्लस माइनस दे अल्टरनेटिव एटा प्लस हो कि माइनस हो देखियो कोन से चेक करियो म कोन हला एटा हला टेक्निक राइट किंतु even now they agree now you will be in trouble. You cannot use that technique. That technique is applicable for e to the x only. So now we have to use proper by parts. We have to use proper by parts. Okay. Okay. You have to use proper by parts. I know another technique to solve this type of questions also. What is that? हाईलाइट अनुसार ही नको ହେଲା जे फर्स्ट से ता कोड लिखलो जे सेकंड एट लिखलो जे फर्स्ट एट लिखलो जे सेकंड एट लिखलो सेकंड एट द 2x राइट आर डेरिवेटिव काढ 0 होला पर्यंत आर संगे इंटीग्रेशन काढतो ये 0 होला पर्यंत डेरिवेटिव काढ इंटीग्रेशन काढतो से पर्यंत एक्सक्लूड डेरिवेटिव 3x स्क्वायर r integration e to the 2x by 2 exclude derivative 6x sorry r derivative 6x r integration 2x by 4 r derivative 6 r integration 2x by 8 r derivative 0 r integration 2x by 16 बर्तन भोग चढ़ाया प्लस माइनस प्लस माइनस प्लस बस जिमी एरो दिखाई से गुणिकी लिखिदि साइन साइन टा नि x cube e to the 2x by 2 x cube e to the 2x by 2 এটা হচ্ছে প্লাস তারপরে কি আসবে মাইনাস 3x স্কয়ার e to the 2x by 4 right plus 6x e to the 2x by 8 minus 6 e to the 2x by 16. Yes, this is the answer. Okay, you check the same thing here also you can use जार हाइलाइट अनुसार लिख दियो हाइलाइट अनुसार it होला x square it होला e to the x right r derivative 2x r integration e to the x r derivative 2 r integration e to the x r derivative 0 r integration e to the x right बस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया x square e to the x to minus 2x e to the x plus 2 e to the x e to the x common answer. Okay, going forward. अच्छा ए टेक्निक टा कोड कोड यूज कर परिया ए टेक्निक टा केवल e to the x x स्क्वायर सहित यूज कर परिया कि आउ का सहित भी कर परिया यस आउ का सहित कर परिया x तमर अलजेब्रिक सहित either sin cos only sin cos okay either sin or cos or exponential एमानकर कॉम्बिनेशन अछि माने तमे टेक्निक यूज कर पे अलजेब्रिक माने x द्वारा n सहित sin x x द्वारा n सहित cos x नाही तो x द्वारा n सहित एक्सपोनेंशियल रहले ताले एटा तमे यूज कर पे फॉर एग्जांपल integration of x square sin x right according to the ILAT rule is this correct one ILAT T means trigonometry it is coming after algebraic right ILA A means algebraic yes algebraic is here first order is here algebraic order is proper A T means trigonometry